My name is Sarah Ellis, and I own a construction company called AEC Works. We are a specialty custom contractor focused on Division 10 and 12. We have been bidding projects with Brasfield Gorrie for the last couple of years and became involved with EQIP about 12 months ago. And during that time, bid about 30 different projects, some of them multiple times. So a tremendous amount of investment of our company in supporting the pre-con group. I do think it is important to be involved with programs like EQIP because EQIP acts as an advocate for you within Brasfield Gorrie so that as you're making that investment, you can try to see a return on that investment. And you can also get feedback if for some reason what you're presenting isn't in alignment with what's needed, or there's just a gap between what you've offered and what Brasfield Gorrie was expecting. So my involvement, our involvement with EQIP has allowed our team to have access to incredible training tools that as a small business, we likely would not have had access to. And then also with that, we again have had that advocate on the inside. So with all of that pre-con work, we weren't really closing a lot of opportunities in the beginning, and it was a little frustrating. And it took that full 12 months for us to start to see a return on that investment. And just this week, we were awarded a really nice project that makes all of it worth it. And I don't think it would have been possible had it not been for the involvement with EQIP and Jessica being an advocate for us internally with the team. And we're very grateful for that opportunity and for this program. So just to stay in any ideas about kind of staying involved and continuing to work with Brasfield, just providing that feedback about how we can be better, how what we present to you gives you what you need in a timely fashion, having two-way communication, as all relationships do. You know, if there's a gap in what you were expecting or what the expectations are, just coming back to that person and saying, you know, we want to work with you. This is what we need. All of that is really helpful. And again, I don't think that would have been possible without the EQIP program.